I die, fuck it, I wanna go to hell. Cause I'm a piece of shit, it ain't hard to fucking tell. It don't make sense going to heaven with the goody-goodies dressed in white. I like black Timbs and black hoodies. Gotta probably have me on some real strict shit. No sleeping all day, no getting my dick licked. Hanging with the goody-goodies, lounging in paradise. Fuck that shit, I wanna tote guns and shoot dice. All my life I've been considered as the worst. Lying to my mother, even stealing out a purse. Crime after crime, from drugs to extortion. I know my mother wish she got a fucking abortion.
Woman hold her head and cry, cause her son had been shot down in the street and died.
I swear to God I wanna just my wrist in this bullshit. Magnum till my head threaten the bullshit. And squeeze until the bed's completely red. I'm glad I'm a worthless fucking Buddha head. The stress is building up, I can't believe it's on my fucking mind.
Nu bliver der også, hvor de slækker for dem. Nu bliver der også. Så hvor er det også et duer? Do it.